let's see. Let's turn our. We'll leave it all on speaker. That way I don't need this until. Let me move my seat up and down. That feels better. The pedals. Once we get flying, you can put your feet on them, but for now, don't. Because if you push the top of the pedals, you're hitting the brakes. You put your feet down on the bottom, and you're doing the rudders.
Okay, got it. I'm staying away from them for now.
Well, I mean, it doesn't matter, but